Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and you join me, James, Jamie and Will, who's at the front, on our way to the box because, as you might be able to see, the weather's actually nice for once, isn't it, James?
For once, it took long enough.
So hopefully we're gonna have a good night tonight because we came back, what, 2 weeks ago, didn't we?
I think it was longer than that.
And I tried to get a video out then, and it was, yeah, no one turned up. The weather was awful. It was, yeah. However, Will said last week they got there and it was quite busy. So let's hope today is the same, considering, you know, it's been lovely. It's been nice all week actually, isn't it?
Except for yesterday, it was a little bit mad, but today, really good.
Yeah. Well, it's been done.
Got the hood back on.
He has. You've been so gassed about being in your summer gear.
Hell yeah. I'm waiting for this.
But yeah, it's been done with just a week, so should be good. Right, we're going to make a move. I brought the drone with me, so I'm going to let Will's exhaust do have its moment. So hopefully I'm going to have to get some nice shots of bikes pulling in with the drone, but we'll see, because I want food first, I'm hungry. But I'll cut back to you all when we arrive. Right, we're almost there, boss.
Almost there? Mate, I'm struggling to get over the hill.
You can do it. I want me burger. Let's see how many people are already here. How are we looking? Oh yeah, they're building. Hey, there's a few bikes here already. Nice.
Hey.
I'm not in gear. Now I am. I'll let you all park up and then I'll pull in.
A few moments later.
We've decided to get the food straight away because it's going to get busy later, isn't it?
Yeah, everyone's starting now.
I mean, there's already. I'm surprised by how many are here already, considering it doesn't start till 6. Right, time to dig in.
You've seen all the drone shots. Nice to show you what's here before it gets too dark. We'll go over and start. I won't talk too much. I'll just sort of show you what's here.
Traffic at Basil, wheel up, straight through.
Again, I do apologise if the quality isn't the best. I probably left this a bit too late with the light. My bike's down here. Obviously, there's James. Say hello to the camera, James.
Hello to the camera, James. Say hello to that camera.
Oh, and do that again, do that again. Thank you.
After getting on that, I'm glad I didn't get a Daytona because I would have literally died. Throwing up so much.
Where should I go now? I'll go back around the inside.
It is a lot more than mine.
So there's Jamie's Daytona. Nice jigsaw there. I have a feeling YouTube compression is going to absolutely destroy this footage. Got a couple of 125s at the top here, so we're going to have a look at those as well. Obviously, that's where the food comes from in there. Let's look at the 125s we've got up here real quick. Oh, thank you. Lovely presentation. This is Sam. He wants to be featured.
Soon after.
Back to the bikes. So that's Callum's bike there. The jam video guy. Or the guy that doesn't know that you can go left in that lane. If you've seen my TikToks or Instagram, you know what I'm on about. Right, and then it's like here. Oh, it's getting very dark. S1000 RR. Herald. I might be able to brighten the post a little bit, but it'll probably be very grainy. Let's go around the front now. Let's cut through actually. Do like that Suzuki blue with the gold. Right, and then let's have a look what we've got over here. Don't know what that is, but it looks nice. You know, I'll go down here into the round. Ooh, sorry, fella. Nice Kawasaki. Nice Suzuki. What is this? Not entirely sure what that is. I'm sure someone will know. And we've got a very tasteful R1M. Right, well that's pretty much everything that's here. I'm not really sure what else to show you, unless the light is fading. I'll try and throw some more clips up. Oh, no, what? Right, I wasn't sure whether to include you, but this is, you may remember this guy. The guy who forgot to put fuel in his MT-07. Oh no! Tell us what you just bought.
A CB650F.
And how comes you've got this?
Because I passed my full A licence and, well, I've returned from Australia, but if you're seeing me on the video, you probably know that.
Can we get a congratulations and welcome back for Alex in the comments?
Yeah, bruv.
Yeah, bruv. Right, I don't know what else I'm going to show, but if this is the end of the video, thank you for watching. If not, enjoy whatever else I end up filming.